friends, welcome. It's Man's Life, Roulette. Today we will discuss about a new trick, the column bet trick. So what are the column bet? In a table, you can see there are three columns. This is one column, this is second column, and this is third column. So we need to put our bet in the column, either this one, or this one, or this one. So what are the strategies and how we can maximize our profit? For this, I only put one bet in any column. So what column actually I will select for my bet? That doesn't matter. Either I can choose this column or this column or this column. I will put randomly at any column, or you can choose the column according to the last number. Most people would do, they select the column from the last number. Suppose this is the last number 35, so this is 35, so people, you can select this column, or in any random number you can also select, or you can select a column, the third column, previous third column. This means is 14, so where is 14? This is 14. You can select this column. So which column you are selecting, that doesn't matter. What matters is the strategy to increase your bet on your lose and to decrease your bet on win. So what are the strategy and how we can win from this strategy is very important. So before starting the game, let me show you my bankroll. It's 3,30,100. 3,30,100. I will utilize this 100 alone and try to make some profit. So this trick is a low risk and low reward trick. You can play for a longer period of time and also can make some profit. So what is the trick? I will play only $1 bet, and suppose I start from this column and I play. If I win at this place, then I will continue with the same $1 bet. I lose. So when I lose, I will either continue at this place or at this place or at this place. That doesn't matter which place I will put my bet. But what matters is I need to increase my bet to 2 units. Suppose I will place here again 2 units. So whenever I lose, I will just increase my bet to 1 unit. It's 22 and I lose. So again I lose my $2 bet. So I will put $3 bet, either any of the places, that doesn't matter. But what matters is my $3 bet. Suppose I will put here $3. It's 18. Again I lose. So now it's time to add $4. The place really doesn't matter. But you can make a place where very systematically to where you can put your bet. So I win. So at every win, what I need to do is I will reduce my bet to 2 units. Why 2 units? For this game, I was at $4 bet, and as I win, I will reduce my bet to 2 unit. 2 unit. I was at $4, and now I am reducing 2 units. So I will play 2 unit bet now, means $2 from any of the 3 places. Why I actually reduce 2 unit on my win, and why I am adding 1 unit on my loss. If I lose, so I will put 3 unit now and play. It's 26 and I lose, so I was at 3 unit, now I'll put 4 unit. And up to how much I will continue this game? I will continue this game up to where it's 4 units, so I will now put 3 unit and play. I will continue the game up to when my bet will reduce to 0 and I win. So it was a $3 bet, so now I will put $1 bet. I just reduce 2 unit and it became 1 unit. So let me draw. The bet was $3 bet and I win, so I will reduce 2 unit and it's become 1 unit. So why actually I am reducing 2 unit? Because my payback is 2 unit. My profit for every win is 2 unit. That's why I am reducing my profit from my initial bet amount. Sorry, my last bet amount. And adding 1 unit, what is the logic behind adding 1 unit? Because when I lose at 4 unit, if I do not add anything and continue with the same 4 unit, then my win will be $8. But if I add something, means I play 5 unit, then my win will be $10. So every time when I win, I will win something more than I lose. So that is the reason behind adding 1 unit. Not just in this strategy, but in any other strategy also you can add something after every win. Sorry, after every lose. So I was at a win in my last spin, so I will put $1 bet over here and start the game. It's 10 and I lose, so I just put 2 unit now and play. It's 12. Again I lose, so now it's time for 3 unit bet. The place is not important. What is important is adding 1 unit on loss and reducing 2 unit after every win. It's 19 and I lose, so I will put 4 unit here and play. It's 13. Again I lose, so I will put 5 unit here and play. It's 5. I lose again, so now it's time for 6 unit and play. It's 8 and I win. So I was at 6 unit bet and I win, so I will go for 4 unit bet now and play. It's 17. I lose, so again 5 unit and play. So this is a slow strategy to win, but this will work very well. I win. So this is the strategy, and in this so many spin I haven't lost anything, but rather I make a profit of $2. So my last spin was actually a $5 spin, so this time I will put $4 at any of the places and play, and I will continue the game up to when my total bet became 0. After reducing unit by unit, it will become 0. So again I lost at 4 units, so it's 5 unit now. Roulette is a game of random numbers, so which number will come we can't predict. So I make a profit of $8. So without making this video too longer, let me explain how actually this strategy works. For that I need some pen and paper, and I will explain what the strategy is actually. So friends, here I start my play with $1, and suppose I win, then my payback is 3 unit. Then I again play with $1 and I lose. So my total bet up to yet is $2, and then I put $2, adding 1 unit, it's become $4 total, and I will lose. Again I add 1 unit, that is $3, and suppose I win there, then my payback is $9. And after reducing 2 units from 3 units, now it's 1 unit and I lose, so my total bet up to yet is $8. So again I increase 1 unit and I win at 2 units, so it's become up to yet I have played some 10 units bet and I won actually 18 units, so it's a profit of 8 units. So here is the trick, and for better understanding this trick, let me take some bigger amount and some lengthier process. If this process ended in 6 spin, but if it will take some more spin, then what? So if we think that this process will not end in a little time, then adding 1 unit after every loss and winning and reducing 2 units after every win, what will be the result? So in this calculation, I have made some imaginary betting, and in last 23 spin I have calculated, and if I own only for 8 spin from out of that 23 spin at different places, then also my total bet, if I'm total bet is $102, then total payback will be $126. So I will continue up to where I achieve my bet at to a 0, reduce my bet to a 0. So this is the trick, and you can apply. So this is the trick, and you can apply this trick to any roulette system and play a single column bet, so you can maximize your profit. Remember friends, increase $1 at your loss and reduce $2 at your win, and it will give you some profit. This is a slow process, but definitely it will give you some profit at the end. So I hope you understood the technique and enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video and think that this strategy is going to work in day-to-day your roulette system, then please share this video to your friends and subscribe my channel so that it will inspire me to make some more video like this. Thanks for watching.